Ariana and welcome to my spooky vlog. For tonight's video, we're going to be making some really easy, no-bake Halloween treats. So if you're planning on throwing a Halloween party or you just want to randomly make some Halloween treats, just keep on watching. Let's start with the spider Oreos. The things you need are Oreos. It's better that you get the double stuffed ones, some pretzels, and M&Ms. The first thing you need to do is open up an Oreo, make it double stuffed if you didn't get the double stuffed ones. Take a pretzel, cut it in however many you want depending on how long you want the spider feet to be. After that, push the pretzels in the sweet cream filling. Then put another filling on top. Then put the chocolate wafer back in place. And that's it for the body. Now for the eyes, just take your M&Ms, put it like so. And if you want your M&Ms or the eyes to stick, you can use some chocolate melts to glue them. And that's it! You now have your spider Oreos. Very cute, spooky, and easy, right? Next up are some bloody finger sausages. The things you need are, of course, the sausages, some hot dog buns, and some ketchup for the blood. You also need a small knife. Here I'm just carving out a nail. Make sure that you don't make it too deep and be careful. Here I'm just making some small lines to add more detail and to make it look more like a finger. And after that, of course, it's time to put it in the hot dog bun. Using your ketchup, make some blood splatters. Of course, it doesn't need to be perfect since they're just splatters, so just have fun with it. Is it just me or this really looks oddly delicious? And we're done! Now we have our savory and really creepy treat. Now let's go and make some drinks so that the vampires don't get thirsty. The things you need are a glass to pour your red drink. You can use any drink that's red, but here I'm using the C2 red tea. A bowl of ice. This is where you'll put your bloody drinks later. And of course, you need the syringes to put the juice in. And just repeat this step until you're done. And that's it! Now the vampires won't get thirsty. the last one, as you can see, is such a total fail. These are supposed to be ghost mallows, but I just can't draw. But maybe you can, so the things you need are marshmallows, chocolate melts, some toothpick, and sticks. The first thing you need to do is put 2 marshmallows in your stick. Then, using your toothpick, you can now draw some chocolate ghost faces on your marshmallow. You can definitely customize it and draw any face that you want, but it would be much more convenient for you if you use an edible pen instead. I mean, what the hell is that? It's marshmallow! And that's it! We now have our epic fail ghost mallows. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my spooky vlog. I really hope that you're all safe. I'll see you on my next video, and happy Halloween!